Mr. Pulsana, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, regarding to Rajkot City Police, we have made a PPT presentation. Overview, sir, there are 10 points uh, regarding the action taken during the pending of COVID-19 by Rajkot Police. Sir, all of the 10 points are the first cases. Actually, it has been traced in Rajkot City Police. The person Nadeem, who has been traced as corona positive, it has been found out by tracing his call details and other precautionary measures that where it has been erupted, and according to that, the action has been taken so that it can't be spread throughout the different places. And it is provided to be clear the hierarchy module where it contains that should be taken where crystal clear, sir. Thus, at the migrant process, which is the second thing, in order to stop the spreading of virus, patrolling were deployed 24 into 7 hours vehicle checks, sir, patrollings, using drones, foot patrollings, flag march, and different type of employed in the fields. And sir, the seals were been blocked. Every entry points were been kept. And sir, the social distancing is been maintained on medical shops, grocery shops, and other different places. And the social distance is the important thing to avoid the virus. So it has been totally picturized. Pictures also been kept according to the shops. Sir, in law and order, it can say that from lockdown 1 to 4, total, sir, 9,142 cases has been registered who has broke the law and order, and total, sir, 38,680 vehicles were been seized who has detained, sir, who has break the law. So, and micro containment zones were been blocked by putting steel barricades, sir. And drone cameras were being put on high-rise buildings and across the road cameras, APNR systems, during which, sir, vigilant watch was kept on entire city, where violation of dealt with, which is be strictly. The different police person were also been given the civil dresses, sir, so that they can keep vigilant on each and every person, whether is breaking the law, order, sir. And sir, the technology wise, the department used technology, sir, the information technology period, mobile application for the quarantine people using drones, speaker drones, everything. And the cameras were kept on the roads. The applications are Safe Rajkot has been installed. The person who has been quarantined and the area, the quarantine area, each and every person, sir, install the application Safe Rajkot, so that if there is any movement, if he goes, if he leaves the area, other than the quarantine area, it can be noticed, and we come to know that this person is going outside that particular area, so it can be, sir, stopped for the stopping of all this spreading of virus, sir. And the APNR system has been installed for strict lane driving, and observation were done automatic number plates, sir. And video meetings were conducted for the updates, briefing, debriefings, and orders. Awareness was spread through social media by Gujarat song made of for awareness, sir. And sir, another aliens and synergy system, sir. Total the spread of virus and keep an eye on guarantee people and alliance with the Maharaja Associates. Great success been application been done, sir. Similarly, local trust and NGO were made. They're big helping hand in providing and distributing food and ration and other essential things. The areas where there is a problem for the public, where they are not getting food and other necessary items, so that it has been properly arranged, so that each and every person in the area, their basic necessities were being provided time to time. And sir, maintaining peace and harmony. In order to maintain peace and harmony, the department made it public with use of their own accounts on social media. Any kind of act that disturbs peace were taken on a serious note, and prompt result as delivered by the department ensures peace in city. Accounts of 32 users forwarding false informations via social media were freezed by the department, sir. 51 scam calling numbers were identified and blocked under the supervision officer, sir. And helping hands and supply chain, sir. The entire department has provided helping hands performing duties, sir. In this, there's shortage of food, ration, medicines, and delivery for each and every persons who are staying in the remote areas. They could not reach the city, or they are not been allowed to get into the city. In that area, sir, each and everything will be provided. So the migrants who were been in this area, in the city, they were been sent to their respective state by trains with social distance and giving them food and each and everything, sir. So totally the person who want to go to their own villages or own state, they were been safely been provided the transportation, sir, and been sent safely, sir. And information for education and communication, sir. Awareness was created by different social media. The Durga Shakti team was been created by the police department, sir, and education video for the awareness of the pending. Sir, one-to-one explain was done to the crossroads where traveling were seen without mask. Brief explanation done to media, sir. Drones with speakers were being used in different areas so that the announcement can be made be properly so each and every person can understand what is the situation and what should do, what they should do and what should not do, so that they can follow the all the instructions properly. And the Rajkot Sarakshak was made to individuals, sir, with safety measures to place where communication with locals and education them the situation so that each and every person, sir, could educate and they can get the proper knowledge of the situation, sir. Effective unmasked to the government guidelines, sir, keeping this strictness during the night curfew, mask and social distance came to register under violation of many cases, sir. Cleanliness has major impact, hence strict implementation of law related to cleanliness were made effectively, and spitting and throwing garbage in public and strict prohibited. Awareness and the pandemic via social media, print media and e-media were given, sir. All social and political gatherings were strictly monitored. Monitoring of vehicles of check of more than permitted person are traveling in vehicles in different voluntary guidelines, legal action were initiated, sir. So these are the points which has been done by Rajkot City Police, sir. And these are the details, sir, which I have given is total 1 to 10, sir. The performance, the work done by Rajkot it has been presented, sir.
Thank you
Thank you,
very
sir.
much, Mr. Palsana. So these have